So di jealous.
No, go ntate mo tsona ba ke botsa ya. No, mamela ntate mo ruti. Ke botsa gore na I kere no ntse go taba gore batho ba hela mo di relationship. So ke botsa se pitso for na e le gore ona a decide le gore o ready wa nyala kapa
Tshepiso na decide le data se nyala.
Ma go ba sa utlwe tshepiso pele a re.
Na ke decide le nna le mshadi a etsa gore ho be bobebe.
O come njoma lenyalo ke le tswa mo monneng regardless gore mosadi ka itla wa dira wena decision thank you ke batho ba bontate ba sa renyalo le ke batla
Ke rona ba sa renyalo
rona re ready
mshadi o ntse go be bobebe
na go no so o qadile ka gore ke decide butla pele se sa khatella se so wena ba tlo tshita
na decide mame o decide mare motho entse gore that decision ya e be mo be gore se pitsa yentse ke se why because if ana decide le fana then tshepiso la na ka decide mare mosadi wa ifana ka fa tshepiso tough time tshepiso decision
jana ka ba tlile
mamela ge
ba fana ka tough time after ke decide
ya tshwana ge le gore tshepiso hana sa decide a kreya mbokoto ya mosadi e dirang a le ka ben lenyalo ntse le lisitswe a ke change statement what I'm saying gore no sankhatana
o meaning lenyalo le tlile ka monna a dira ne re le mo then tare nna ne ke decide so ska change statement
mamela
no re
a ke change statement butle a ke change statement tshepiso a ona decide
mamela Facebook fela hore e shape ka clear Facebook
tshepiso o ona decide le ntate mo botse then mosadi o tlile ka extra to something e tshepiso a decide I get ya ba bothusa tshepiso hore a etse in decision what I'm saying ke hore ne ka mantswe mang lenyalo ke monna because if mosadi wa tshepiso anantsa tlile ka tsela tlileng ka yone go tshepiso a ba fitla a thusa tshepiso to make a decision hanantsa tlile ka tsela e ngana tlile ka na re tshepiso a soka a decide nka be go sa ba le lenyalo
mara tse le gona le re etsa re decide la na re sa intend ka bolela se fapang ke government re gona la mona na sa intend o nyala mara aka monna ka nka qeto eno fela re se ka mo khokela translate
yo because at home ko ka le re blele mpo lona me kutla lona ke eng the question is re tla dumedisa ka mo ga re le betse
nna ke kopa dumedisa nna dumela bana beso nna re ke tlo dumedisa ba mro ke dumela Facebook re utlwa lantle Facebook re utlwa lantle
dumelang bo morato bo mamorato le bontate morato nna ke no le dumedisa call di ke dumelang fe ke ya ntate mo hi nna ke tla le dumedisa right because ke motho a hantle a reta ke no re fela dumela to my loyal and faithful followers both on TikTok and Facebook greetings hello Luna ne ke le go potse ene ka rata ke le fa love. Yes. Now, topic here today, re tswela pele ka last week topic because ke nahana re tswele ka yone. Ke hore nna ne ke botsa ntate moruti hore ba ke eng to e leng hore e etsa hore di relationship di felle staging sa di relationship. We see people celebrating anniversaries but ba di celebrate mo relationshiping mo mojolong level. Ha ba e lenyalong. Now
batho ba nyalane ka motshanyana
batho ha ba nyalane batho ha ba nyalwe batho ha ba nyale now e le hore bothata ke eng ke batho ba bontate ba etsa hore lenyalo le se la bateng kapa ke batho ba bomme ba tshabisa bontate commitment now we were discussing that ne re bua tabe ya hore bana ba se lona le bona e le eng e etsa hore e be le go today re dutse ka hara di relationship and then ha re le nyalo can you hear your side of the story na view yak option yak e matla e powerful ke hore bontate ha ba re nyale
hobane
ha ba ready go lenyalo a le ready for lenyalo.
Na kopa se ka bua guys.
Bontate ha ba ready guys. No, bontate ha ba ready.
Ke go ntse re bile ka motho FM ka labrara. But motho FM a kira kgolong ka di
comments about yes, yes, I'm aware.
Re batla nyala bana be se qakile mare.
Bothata ke eng sanyana because basadi ba teng.
Basadi ke bana. Na go ke nke mamedia
Yes. Come in and tell us hore na ile hore what is the problem?
Halisanyana.
Because shem ha re nyalwe and we are so ready and for lenyalo.
Tumelang?
Tumelang.
Le kae?
Rete.
Wa o sa nyalwe?
I think about ke batho ba nka ba bonte.
Wa khato o swa kana which very right.
A kwetse mic. O kwetse mic. Okay.
All right. Bothata ke le ke batho ba bontate.
Batho ba bontate ba yetsa eng?
Wa tseba motho a batlang go monyana. Hona le batho ba bang ba kgonang gore ha qeta o kena ka relationship a ba sa ntse ba tla go nyala motho. So bothata ke batho ba bontate ke bona ba na le choice. Ona le choice ya a o dutse for 10 years a sa o nyala. Mara ba lo kopana le e mong.
Obani.
What is the problem?
Why I got dula le wena for 10 years aba sa o nyala why? O te motho dula le motho. O te motho dula le motho. No, o te motho ka dula le motho sa matli for 10 years, for 3 years, for 5 years. Le dula sam.
Ke na le mogotsi o a gola bana ta 12 years.
Why? Why?
I ke tsebe.
Okay.
Ke sa tela monna.
Yeah.
Hobane yena o re ka nnete o batla hore ba be together ba nyalana. Ma motho na ha batle.
Mar nna ke na le potso. Auswaka. Is that possibility or because are it if all lata sileke are jola be ke etsa stay together le wena lenyalo la lo take la African Simon la le la fat and fat no it decision ya unga kutlisa bophelo baka it's a huge step. It's a huge step so because already se ke dula le wena so ke eng e tsa gore ke qetele se tsa nyala be ke lo batla motho mo ke eng a re bue nnete go jetsa ka rona data
Mare ke connected, right? Connected. I'm okay.
ona data
And then I get
mo se ke lona le botlola fela
Iye, wa bona ya tla. Ha ke ya life ya go.
ke batlang batho lenyalo le ba
Bana besong e right hle.
so a utsa ka go pareng ke magape
Okay, I so ka hle.
wa bobedi ke mang se mang
Asisi Sebata. Hello Sebata.
Sebata
Sebata.
Auswaka
Okay, hurry.
kana ke mang se bua Auswaka
Hai hle sa mo lebitso.
ke nang ke phone ya hao Auswaka
Hi icon. Okay. Yeah. Hello Ricky network.
I wonder ke na le data come
Iguelo di. Munda to go to Facebook. Ala data.
asli ko check kopa o checka sefapana kopa o checka ha le na ntho ka mo Wi-Fi
re na le yona
le Wi-Fi
history ka Facebook ba reng ke bona
ke ba kgono yana e batho ke batla Wi-Fi
Why is idea ka mona mahareta e dutse ka ero
ke tla before ke kena
okay
ke re
nka bula password
shui it's a canto we scared
a le tsebile no password ya mo mpomo
ya Wi-Fi kana ke mpoma
ke mona ya teng ne
ke mpo something
ke ena
Richards
on the live
Facebook that's
le
more
TikTok
that's really like let's not setsa batho ke bona di message bana eno go tla kana ga next 6 a go ntsha ma
live
ka 10K.
ke motla bana se o fa nna
O kgotlile.
hello Riteng
Hey, khale le ile mane.
shop ga ba tlo tlhae gona mona go live
re khutlile ke kopa fela viewers at home we are coming okay we are back sheba ntho e fatshe okay yeah
isa live ya gona go batle
what
live okay
hey go
bua le batho ba tlela bo
viewers at home ke tlo kopa le kene yes thank you so much for staying with us thank you so much for staying with us and then ntate Sabata le ka ntate ona le motho ha ke tsebe why okay
November, le le sone le December ke ga tsamaya ga o sia jwa.
yes rense o mo jetse re bua kang
yes
okay o dira botho
ntate Sabata wena o ka re problem ke eng hore e be le hore batho ba dutse di relationship bana ha ba gone kapa ha ba move to the next step e leng lenyalo ba stakile nje mo mojolong
Ba yemeng kaiwa.
yes
I get number 1 o ta go le ha ka mo dibala le wena.
ya ntate
O nkile molao wa heno kwana o tlo laela ka ona ha ka wa e bona.
okay
Number 2 re tla be re tswa ka di savana mona re go bala ka di savana jale le lapa le o kae le.
so ona na problem ke mekgwa
Ya ke nngwe ya dintho tse tlang batho ba dile mara ba se ba le tsole pele.
okay ntate
Obane nka se tle ha ka lo laela molao wa ntate September.
wa tseba nna guys ke kgalla eng nna ke gala re be more practical wa bona
Yeah.
nna ke rata re be more practical gore mohlomong a re jetse ena o nyetse kapa a so nyale na a re jetse gore yena o nagana a se ka bua under general
yes Lena would love that ntate Sabata o ka hara lenyalo kapa relationship. Hello?
Ai, a ke ka ga lenyalo. The relationship ya feel.
The relationship you are fit. Okay, ntate Sabata, and then when I hore he e be le hore di relationship di a feta ha di dule bile wa sa di lenyalo bothata ke eng?
Ale la kwa totse abane na go mo betere ke tsa dintho ro mara e feditse.
o boetsa dintho wrong kapa o boetsa right
No dintho right ke right mara e ke thola right man mente la ntse ke di se ga hantle wa feta.
okay
No.
thank you Butoka thank you Buti Sabata
Awuti.
okay alamonte
Okay.
Manuela Wetama. Okay.
Honale Bongilicious, can you please request, because Bongilicious ene are I will never marry a woman who keeps fighting me. Now lona ni kakari akari jwetsa hore
o tlile ke monna o
yes
ara ka senyale monna etse
mosadi ya dulang e leng hore wa mo o lwana le yena.
okay ia mo ne jwale ia mo ke batlang jwale ia mo ke batlang hore wa ile sanyana.
Okay, all right. Viewers at home, and then okay.
No.
Hello Mankho.
I think I got in by mistake. Sorry, guys.
Okay.
All right.
Okay.
Wixie. Hello, Wix. How to swap the phone so that how zero swap the phone so that how you guys scare this step up.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. You guys.
Viewers at home, hello.
Cancel the mic. Okay.
Oh, yeah.
How did you do the test?
Okay. Yes,
Okay.
I think we are
Yeah,
ready
so I
now.
can reach out, guys.
Yeah.
Little Sorrel, thank you so much, God gift. Thank you so much.
Yes. Weeks okay. Weeks to Sansoli Tang.
Kimayum.
Okay. Omunki Kidza. Kapa Cynthia. Cynthia. Kibano bua Cynthia. Cynthia, hello? Hello?
Come on, or so please. Kigza Kima, monkey.
Kidza, hello? Kidza, hello?
Hello.
Yes. Topic ya rona today we utlwile hantle. All right. Question na rona ke e ya today ya hore we see people ba celebrate the anniversary mojolong. Batho ha ba nyalwe, batho ha ba nyale, batho ha ba nyalane. Now, e le hore problem ke eng? Problem ke bontate kapa ke bomme? Now, ne re lakatsa hore motho ha hlalosa bua hore nna ke nyetswe kapa nna ha ka nyalwa. And then ebe wa bua he. Re be more practical than ho bua under general. Kigza. Kigza.
Guys, network ya rona e right man. Mona e bontsha ile right mo.
Yeah, network ya rona e.
Yeah, e sharp. Mona e bontsha ile sharp. Okay. I don't want to kids. I request that.
Okay. Olebogeng. Hello, Olebogeng. Le kae? Ntate Olebogeng wena o no se utlwile topic ya kere?
Ne se ke utlwile.
O ka reng fela ntate wa ka? Hello?
Wa tseba man ntho ke tla bolella yona ya matsatsi ana ya manyalo a matsatsing a kajeno. Ha sa tshwana jwalo ka manyalong ane a kgale.
Okay.
Ana batswadi ba rona ba ne jwale.
A butwa ka butle pele o so nyetse na o so nyetse ka pa so nyale.
A so nyale ntate November ebileng a ke khole ke iphumana wa ke tabe ke nyetse.
Why?
Butle pele ka mantswa mang le motho yo jwalang le yena wa tseba hore ha o tlo nyala wena.
Motho ke dijo ke jwalang le yena se re na le ka gola dilemo tse 4. Re dula re le babedi.
Fela o tlo monyana.
Ene nna ke mo bolelletse gore taba tsa manyalo ntate November nna ha ke di kene.
Ebe a ba reng yena?
Wa tsaya batho ba bomme ba jwama motho wa mme o tla o bolella gore a shona yena o tla o tlo tlohella.
But a kunjetse butwa ka kenyetsa ngore o fihle mo ke eng o fihliste stage in seno sa hore o tlo ra o tlo monyala.
Wa tsaya ntate November boholo ba batho be ke phetseng le bona. I get a 50%. Ke ne le batho bana ba nyetse ene divorce tsa bona di etsetse mona pela ka mona ene ba divorce in a very bad way.
Okay. Come on, someone we're not to discourage thinking ke divorce tsa batho ba bang.
Nna ke bona ya lenyalo la notlena le sa.
Okay.
Abutu ka ke kopa o ebe clear tabao. Wena ntho etsa gore o tlo ra o tlo nyala. Ke taba gore fela o discourage tswe ke manyalo a batho ba bang. Not to bana motho o yena o fetse.
Motho wa ka ena o bua nnete a sa
O mba fela sa tlo monyala ka baka la manyalo a batho ba bang.
Mba fela lenyalo a se o ke shebile batho.
Abutu ka a ke tsebe o ntso o phone ya ke tsebe o bua ntso nyamela.
Nka go ke o sebedisa di headphones.
O sebedisa di headsets. No really mo butoka. Thank you ke ma.
Olebogeng. Thank you Olebogeng. Ke Mama Rita. Mama Rita, hello.
Hello, Sogate, le kae?
Hamnati le kae?
Le ka o se Rita.
I'm not in November.
Why is anyalo ba family?
Okay, yeah. A go kopa go phetela
Ba ne go
sekolo.
sanyalo me.
Yes Mbokodo.
Taba ya pele ke yena na he o swat.
Notla volume ya phone. Notla volume ya phone yo. Notla volume ya phone yo ntso shebeletse ka yona.
Ere.
Yes.
Lenyalo ke kabelo. Ya se bo se go abelwa lenyalo. Ke utlwa.
Mara o buletse volume ya phone ya hao.
Okay.
O tla utlwana jwale.
Jala ha ke le utlwe lona.
Wena bua re mametse.
Ke tswele pele. All right, go. Ke ne ke re he, ntlha ya ka ya pele go hore lenyalo ke kabelo. Mme ha se bohle go tlotla ga abelwa lenyalo.
Okay, ke kopa re etse tjena fela, ke kopa re ntshe. Okay. Yeah. Guys, re jwetse echo jwang. Hanyane fela o srita. Echo jwang guys. Ke kopa le comment le re jwetse e jwang.
You hantle no.
Ke bue.
E jwang. E right.
Ai bete.
Okay, we're talking it right.
Okay. Yeah, thank you. Sorry guys, sorry.
Excuse me, I apologize haholo.
Lena ke go ba tshwarela.
Okay.
Ntlhaka ke ena he. Lenyalo ke ka be. Mme ga se bohle basadi ba ile hore re tla re nyalwa. Yeno e thilwe ka hara Baebele hore le ka hara Baebele ho ntse ona le basadi ba mafetwa. Ra utlwa. Jwale ke fetele ho ya sedimo haebe hona le batho ba dumelang ho badimo hore ka hara lelapa hona le mosadi kapo mora a tla kgethuwa hore a tswelise leloko le fane ya bona hore e seke ya shwa. Yeno kgethuwe ke badimo hore a seke a nyalwa. Mme le yona re nkeke ra tsekisa sedimo ka tsela e nngwe kapa e itseng hobane o mo kgethuwa. Mme o kgethuwe ke badimo ba lapa leno hore o tlo boloka fane ena. Ya ka ya o qetela ke hore basadi bongata re independent. Ha e sa le taba yane ya hore re hole o ntse o tlamelo nyalwe ho nyadise le ha lelapeng la ha mama no jena basadi re ruteile. Mme re kgona ho bona motho a tshwanetse la sa tshwanela. And o ruteng ha ka e bolela hore I can be independent enough ho reka ntho engwe le engwe ke batla ho iphedisa ka tsela ke e batla ho isupporta ka mokgwa ofe kapa ofe o tshwanelehileng eo go mosadi wa o hloka ka ntle ho molekane. Jwale hore lenyalo le teng ka 21st century le teng e tla ba bonus.
Also wena o nyetswe.
Ndade?
Wena o nyetswe. Okay. Ke ntse ko mametsi no ke ntse ke ona bukwa. Ke utlwile motho a ipuellang from A until Z.
Hakanya.
Na ke utlwile motho a ipuelletseng.
Okay, Swak.
O ipuelletse.
Mare a go tswetse o kile wa ba o relationshiping kapa ha wa nyalwa ebile ha o relationshiping.
Ke relationshiping le motho o ba fela hakanya.
Okay, then ha le soka le bua taba tsa lenyalo wena le motho eo.
Yena e kila e bua nna tjhe ke le ka maga ba hore ha ke tlo entertain. Empa ha ke tlo fihla diqetong tse itseng tsa lenyalo. Empa ho tswa ho motho hore na o batla ho continue le nna ka ntle diqeto tse ke di nkileng kapa wa tswa ka hara relationship. Ke nana ke ntho tse ngata e couple nga etsa jwale ka buti a qetang ho feta mona na re o dutse le sharia hae ba fela wa tseba hore ha tlo monyala. Ho motho a dule lwana la re ka hara relationship a ntse a tseba hore ha o tlo monyala ke choice ya hae. O na le choice ya ho dula ebile o na le choice ya ho tswa. Empa ke qeto ya mang kapa mang ya ho ikgethela hona wa dula ka hara relationship eno na a ntse a jwetsitse hore ha ke tlo nyala.
Okay. Wait, wa tseba ke ene ka reng ha o bua sone partner ya hao ga be le teng ne ke tlo mmotsa jalo ka motho o reng ha o batle lenyalo behavior ya hao relationship e jwang. Because I think a relationship but they are working.
Re ga dula ga bisana ka yona. Ke go setsa ka ntlo Bloemfontein ba dirile ba fitla agreement. That's why ke qadileng ka re lenyalo ke ka be. And basadi ba ona jwale ba itshebeletsa ba financially independent. Le ene o una ma fihleng teng mohlomong a utlwa re ha ke batla ho nyala ma ke tla fitishana le wena. Ka na sa mabaka a o le yena a na le yona ka nna.
Okay.
Hayi tsonga nami request la
Hey.
ngiyavuma.
Uqala ukuvuma.
I don't want it.
Okay.
Okay. Awusoka ke kopa botsa wa sebetsa kapa wa itshebetsa.
Wa sebetsa ndadi.
O wa sebetsa. Ka tsatsi le re tla re tlo bua ka
Ya sebetsa.
Okay. Ka tsatsi le re tla re tlo bua ka independence.
Okay.
Or ke independence.
Re tlo bua ka eng?
Or independence ke
Okay.
because ke bona batho ba ngata ba misunderstand ha re bua ka hore motho o independent o re bua ka eng batho ba misunderstand to you and that thing ke ne tsang hore
Ndade.
ya khatsi ya ke kopa mamele phone fela ke kopa mamele phone ke kopa mamele phone
Okay.
I think something can look back at independence. Yeah, because people who think there is no way you can say it's about the independent. Without a independent. You relate to somebody who you survive come to Musibilita. You're not independent.
Because we would say I am independent. Then I would say like I am independent. Yeah.
I'm independent. But you are going to work for somebody and you are working for that man, but you feel like you will never work for somebody, for your husband. Thank you, God gift, guys. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. I think people, they don't understand. People, they don't understand independence.
Okay.
So let us be honest. You, let's say you are as a husband. Now, you want to be independent.
Yes.
But somebody.
I give a to rely away. I give a to be independent. Then get all of Musebeti, you lost 7 hours. Now you don't rely or give a little dinto days and rely on Musebeti.
And let's say it's a company. You are working for that person.
Yeah.
You are not independent to depend to that person.
It depends more because for me to get into a battle, it depends on salary.
You're working for somebody. You're not independent. The mentality to independence
this is deep.
You cannot say you are independent to put away. That's independence.
Yo. Renale Puleng, hello? Yes. Puleng? Network, I think.
Network.
Network. Puleng, hello?
Puleng. Bar air.
Oh, network.
Oh, I life from the Hagare from a Tatash.
No, Niki Sibak.
That is only gives a piece of this Wi-Fi and come. Pule. Lola. Guys, I keep in to get a farmer cut. Facebook, to Mela, Nagukupake, to independent. Explain. Rokopolis network, guys, hanya nefe. Rokopolis network, hanya nefe. re kopa thumelang ka Facebook re kopa o lokisa network e felanyana. Oh guys, network today are too bad.
Judgment the section Commander Kanangwa. Powerful. Find the judgment for the section Commander Kanangwa. Tell Baruna. Abdul. Judgment. Good. Hello. Baba. Tell Rider. You can't do judgment the section Commander.
Hi guys, Ninja.
Iseli. Oh,
Lady. Right.
Ana network ya internet.
Wele, ahle. Eneki finish.
Tombi.
Buiselo. Okay. Dr. November Buiselo, not today. Malerato, Dumelang family. Pule Mukhaje, good evening. Kinale Dr. November also lovely. Dumelang family, Johnny Tichabe. And then Pulani, Kilarata no. And then good evening family, also lovely and Novi. Pulani, yes, also all lovely and Prophet November. I'm happy. Walona Kiteng from Pretoria. Okay. Viewers at home, Facebook. Now we wanted to know people badule the relationship babasai to the next level we celebrate the anniversaries but really mojolong ha re nyanwe rona batho ba bomme bontate ha ba nyale kapa ha re nyalaneng re le batho no ka ba bothata ke batho ba bontate kapa bothata ke rona batho ba bomme viewers at home bothata ke eng now re tlo kopa fela re ke re bueng taba eo and understand gore na bothata ke eng.
As like a close the same.
Okay, Haribon. Okay, Kiyoma. Ayo. Maybe back at the holiday. Yes, I know. Real holiday, yeah. The Kira don't shall decide. Viewers at home.
Another matter I think explain for independence.
Independence, yes. Lena would.
Margili will explain. And that mentality to Bolava said Babanga to Baskova Walaban.
Okay.
And
Haritanen and Rekeri women. Because now my view on this matter go we are ready for commitment, but because linyalo le tšwa mo mothong wa ntate bontate ba batla go decide ka rona. Now ntate moruti ene a re
ona le motho itseng a ka senyale motho
a dulang a
molwantsha and ke nnete.
Yes.
What's like ke nana ntho re shapang ke batho ba understand ba tloetsa maphelo a batho ba bang. Ka bua ka guys
yo
ke nana batho ba tsore ba etsa maphelo a batho ba bang. Swapa
John o tlo etsa maphelo ba motho John.
One, I think batho ba understand the role tsa go tla batho or so to go etsa batho a go bana le ntho.
Okay, mbisela Dr. November ke na le bothata ba ho kena ka hara relationship for banana and ha kitse why ke tsahella ntho e jwalo ke kopa thuso mo Dr. November.
I guess network e re dubile hle sefapana kwa bua maka ka nnete ene ke bona ka re le no ntse
Le no ntse re sokodisa eish.
ka nnete le no ke bona ntse re sokodisa sefapana. Puki you need a request hle. Puki network ya we right wena nna ke tlo bua mantswe a mabedi a qetile ke tsamaya ke yona o kene. Pukiza.
Hello Puki.
Hi.
How are you, sweetheart?
Puki.
Hi, how are you?
Good, and you?
Hello.
Yes, we are listening.
Your network is very bad. My network is very bad. I'll be back.
Mara o tlo hala no.
Go to hala, alright. From our side, alright.
Selemo le sa re tšhaisa. Puki a re o tla gotla. Na mantswe a ka o qetela.
I'll let topic ye batho.
Anete guys re sokodiswa ke network e bile ka nnete re lala re kwale life ya rona.
Hello Gogo.
Le kae?
Re le kae?
Tate Moruti.
Madali.
A ke godi, a ke go ba le sa mamela nyo tsa. Tate Moruti ke kopa o botsa monana. O tlo di etsa neng di class tsa rona ba tshwanetseng.
O dula kae?
Ka se hloka sekolo se.
O dula kae?
O dula kae?
Ke dula Mpumalanga.
O tshwere tla driver.
Ka nnete.
Yeah.
A ke re la ha o so di entse wena o tlo tshore ka nako e itseng ke Mpumalanga ke kae jwalo ga o ge wa e bona.
Oh yeah. No
Nte Moruti wa tseba ko jwetse it just go re ha ke tsebe ba kae batho ba o mamela empa ba nang le tsebe. Ba utlwa. Ka se hloka sekolo se.
Wena o nyetswe kgaitsedi ya ka. Ke feng ntho eo nahana mo?
22 years ke le lenyalo.
O na le bokae?
22 years.
Sure. Marabenza go.
Tshwana le gale o nyetswe o tso batla sekolo hape ke ntho e o thuseng mohlomong dintho tse nkile ka di bua.
Thuto ha e tsofallo.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. Ke di fili ntho tse kile ka
le letsatsi.
Ke di fili ntho tse kile ka o thusa ka tsona.
Dingata holo ntho tse le reng ke a di mamela. Tse le reng wa bua ka tsona, tse le reng ke ithute ke re ya wa bona dingata. Yo.
Okay. No, but you got to ba ka tsatsi le leng ka ithola announcement mo le hey
Ka date 18.
Ke a kopa ka nnete ka se hloka sekolo se.
Wow, thank you
Ka
so
se
much.
hloka haholo.
Okay.
Thank you so much.
Thank you haholo hle.
Ka
Re
leboha.
lebohile mami. Thank you. Bongelicious.
Dumelang.
Le guy.
Thabela.
Yes, retain up to Bongi.
Yes. I want to go and get a comment. I will never marry a woman who always fights me. Something like that. Yes. I get out to go.
Yes, I did. And Kinyetsi, by the way, Kinyetsi Gnali about 15 years, and so I look at the process. How did I actually make a decision? I was in a relationship for 3 years, and you know how we dealt with that girlfriend, then how we dealt with conflict. It was very disturbing, and how she should actually behave around money. It was very disturbing. For example, I could go about 2,000, and then you say, my love, no. Okay, fine. Well, get panda somewhere, but what was serious, but and it's it's actually money. And then you think about it, you're like, Utlo Panda, what's going on? You know, because at that time, you don't have that 2,000. So one of the things I've realized is how people behave when it comes to money in a relationship. People have a really terrible behavior. Whether you have money or whether you are broke, people, how you respond when you are broke or when you have money, it is very, very, very important. It is a determining factor whether you are going to last in that relationship or not. Number two, I think it's also about conflict. You know, in every relationship, there's conflict. Every relationship, you know, and how you reprimand me, how you a mistake, how we communicate, how we resolve those conflicts in a relationship. It's very important. If conflict how in your relationship it takes about a week or 2 weeks to resolve it, or man, you are in trouble. And Lisa John. And so it takes a week. What now? Baby, sorry. Hi. You know, or same thing with the guys. Those two things. How you resolve conflict, and you know, when it comes to love it's there. You know, you actually, but how you resolve conflict. That means you are going to be in a very peaceful situation, no matter how you resolve conflict. Money makes the world go around and all this stuff. Sometimes chalete day, sometimes high or chalete. You know, it's life. But how do we behave when we're not chalete or one of us not chalete? You know, it also matters.
Yes.
So, finally, I would also say that but they would say, no, you know, you think, okay, now because we're sebeta, you think you don't need a man. You understand? Or now that you've got lots of money, you don't think you need a woman, you need a wife. Which is one of the problems that a lot of people are facing.
Okay.
Conflict resolution, if you don't know how to resolve conflict in a relationship, you are doomed. Even your linyalola how it's dead. You know. Secondly, how you behave around chalete, you are gone. Probably million as a wife tomorrow, 2 million as a wife, and then one papa, you're like, this woman, this man, who useless.
Okay.
You know, or how long jida on a 2 million in yana, but like you know, those behave around those two things that
Okay.
talk too much.
All right. Can I ask Jorge? I understand very clear, Jorge. I understand very clear everything that you have stated, ne? Mara, what is that one thing that that was above the list? This one I cannot stand for.
Conflict.
Okay.
How you know, always everywhere in the world, you know, we're going to have misunderstanding. And misunderstandings are common. We have misunderstanding with friends in the workplace. Everywhere there's also those different ideas. But how we manage conflict, it determines whether we stay or we leave.
Okay.
We stay together. So a lot of people, it's poor conflict management in most cases, because you would actually leave a relationship that you really love the person, but because of poor conflict management, you actually get to hate that person. Poor conflict management, you know, it's a breathing ground for hate.
Now we because now we and people they don't understand.
on top of the list.
Abari.
Conflict.
Yes, it's conflict. It's a stress. It drain a relationship. It drain a conflict. It drain a happiness. It drain a love. It drain a everything.
Okay.
So, just in addition, you'd also hear a lot of people, they would actually talk about, in relationship, it's all about communication. It's all about communication. One thing that I've actually noticed, people don't even know how to communicate.
Yo.
Even when you say, oh, yeah, I've communicated.
Yeah.
But you don't know how to communicate effectively. So effective communication is very important. The tone, how you use your words. You can actually say, you want to tell your partner, you're not smelling nice, and then you can say, hey, one come on, nice, sis. One come on, hey, hey, we love, okay, you go about to perfume that, you do it in, you've communicated something that is uncomfortable to receive, but you've actually communicated in a way that is actually can be received. So, poor communication. Now, sometimes I'll be like, how we communicate. Yeah, Rabu, yeah, Kibuleti. But how you communicate something that is really, really difficult. A lot of people, we haven't learned how to do that.
Okay.
Thank you so much, Abu.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Wow. Mama Sebeti. Hello. Hello.
Hey. This is very, very interesting topic. Mobopelong, you can never be in a relationship.
Being a real mo, Obua and the general kapa unyetsu kapa hanyana.
Okay. Wow.
Okay. In a relationship, o kekebe wa kena o batla communication wena o sa communicate le wena. Sa pele ko qala go bua le nna ke le mamsebetsi. Hore ha ke bua le nna ke bua ke reng. That is why ke batla hore batho ba bua le nna ba bue ka tsela e jwang. So ha ke batla hore ke bue le wena ka tsela e sa thabising nna, empa nna ke be ke o buisa ka tsela e wrong, e tlo fosahala moo, ha re no kgona ho ya mo re yang teng. Re itekola pele hore ntho ena ha e fitla ho nna, ha motho a ka e bua ka tsela e ke e buileng ka yona ho nna, how do I feel nna? It's where o startang ho ithuta hore ha ke tla ho motho e mong ke e bua ka tsela e jwang. Re dula ka hara di-relationship tse leng hore ke tseba bokoa ba motho wa ka le ena o tseba bokoa ba ka. Ntate ha kena monyako so ntso mmona hore maemo a leng ka hare ho ona a mosebetsi kapo a tswang mo a tswang teng, ha se maemo o ka mo tlankellang fela ebe o so ntso o bua le ena ka tsela e o batlang ho bua ka yena. Motho ha wa mo tseba o phela le yena hore ha le tjena o tshwantse ke bue le ena ka tsela e jwang, or ke thole ho fihlela yena a ba right. So ha ntate a tswa mosebetsing a kopane le diphephetso tsa kopane le tsona tse o kopana le tsona, ha kena ka tlung o bo so ntso mmotsa dipotso tse ding tse leng hore ha di tlo mo thabisa, a ke ba o araba ka tsela eo, because of why maemo a tswang ho ona wa mo bona o yena tlare hore ke motho wa jwang. So go ithuta hore nna ke kgotsofalla ho batho ba bue le nna ka tsela e feng. Ha o ka wa ithuta hore wena o batla approach wena ebe ka tsela e feng, ke hona mo tlo ithuta hore ha o bua le motho e mong o bua ka tsela e feng. That is why re re nketse so batang hore o etse so.
Yeah.
Ke tsela ya communication eo. Ha ke tlo bua le wena motho wa ntate, ha ngata motho wa ntate ke ne ke sorry ha ke etse, but it's there. Motho wa ntate wa hlomphe o tsana le ngwana. Ha ne re tshebeletso maobane somebody o re o motho wa ntate ngathele borotho bo o tsa kenya letsoho fa a ngata ke motho wa ntate. Remember motho wa ntate le ha ka nna tshumi ya hao le ntse le hola, immediately a na le motho wa mme pela hae o tshwantse o change tone o bua le ena ka yona la ise monna ha motho wa ntate ha tlankellwe so re tshwantse re ithute rona hore nna ke batla go tshwaruwa jwang ke batla go buisiwa jwang ha nka ka tseba eo then ke tlo kgona go buisa motho e mong jwalo le ha e se relationshipeng kamanong efe kapa efe ya setswalle kapa bohaisane kapa kae ke tlo ithuta hore go bua le motho ke tsela e right because le nna self ha ke batle go buisiwa ka tsela ye I think ke jwalo
Wow.
nna ke kopa o botsa heme mamotsi mamme mamosebetsi yes ka nako o kopanang le molekane wa hao e santse le boyfriend o kopane le ena a le ready for lenyalo kapa wena o mo yentse hore a file o hloka ho nyala
unfortunately re kopane re bapala re jola then lerato la rona la nyolowa la ba hodimo ho fihlella mo re bonang hore bophelo ba ka le ena re le babedi bo fihlella hore e ka ba mme le ntate ene ke kopane le motho a very very sweet a sa rateng dintho ke tlo bua ka bajapi ke kopane le motho a sa tsebeng dintho di plasing so ha ke kopane le motho a sa tsebeng dintho nna hobane ke rata dintho ho tshwantse ke mo rute hore motho wa ka nna ke batla tjena hore ho be hantle pakeng tsa ka le wena ke mothabele ho fihlella re be re di tseba re phela re le babedi jwang
okay
Wow.
all right
Well, thank you so much, also.
lenyalo la re ratane ho ya tsamayo ra fitla re buildile ntwena hore we want to stay together and ya re sebeletsa
Wow. Wow. No, thank you so much. Thank you so much, Oswaka. Thank you so much. Wow.
Cynthia, hello.
Sine ke ba jwetsa topic ke tlo le araba nna.
Yes.
Yeah. Nna ke tlo le jwetsa why le sa nyalo
Okay. Viewers at home, today's topic is why relationship, why people are stuck in a relationship. Mari, go sa tle gore ba nyalane, go sa tle gore bontate ba nyale bo ausi, kapa bo si ba nyalo le lenyalo le bete. Now, e le gore bothata ke bontate kapa bothata ke bo mme na. Now, in the yona topic ya today ho ke inditro tse di ka bang fear ya ho batho ba batle ho ikomita. Now remove her. Cynthia, hello. Cynthia. Okay. Now, I see we have commented lika monana kamo Facebook, but viewers at home, please. You can request and talk to us. And now, what is wrong with Cynthia? And then Kabona on the Facebook page, people are busy greeting us. Thank you so much, people. Now, question viewers at home, ele hore bothata ke eng? Bothata ke batho ba bo mme kapa bothata ke batho ba bo ntate hore e be le hore lenyalo haliyo. Now, please talk to us. Indiwazania, an interesting topic. Indiwazania. Can you please request? Yes, please request Bongi Ari Dumelan Dokotela.
Bongi.
And then Queen Ari, you are blessed, Mama. Onabuali Mema Msebeti. And then Onamtaring sending love from Newark. Dumela Tate Muruti. Yes. And thank you so much. I see that literally you are sending flowers. Thank you so much. Now, Hurricane here. Bontate le bombe viewers at home to hear hore mare le nahana ke eng this thing e etsang hore be le hore ha hona lenyalo.
My favorite person, Indy.
Is Indy in the house? Hello, sweetie.
Hi.
Retelle guy.
Wait till I so ki India wa Azania. So
Oh,
my other name ki India So Azania, like Rebua, as ke ntho fela India wa Azania. So interesting topic. Let's say I the topic it's a mara re qale mo.
Tsamayo mo, ha ntse re tsamaya. Ga bona re ai.
Ke nahana topic ya today it's ka nnete e etsa hore re hlahlobe borena hore wena o motho mo jwang.
Okay.
And I will say this because hangata the relationship or di fitlhe mo that stage ya hore re commit o tshwanetse ho bona le dintho tse wena o di ratileng ka ra relationship eno no wa bona. So nna ke nahana contribution a ke re ke gona ke tsena ha ke so utlwe hantle hore re ya kae ba jalo ka mo go tsa builo re tlo re jwetsa hore bathata ba rona keng re sa nyala mara ke nahana gore di expectations tsa rona ha di practical oswaka di expectations tsa rona lenyalong le ka mo gore re bona lenyalo ka teng some of the expectations tse re di batlang ha di practical ne ke mametse Bongilicious ona le Bongi nna bua ka conflict.
Yes.
O fitlhela hore ka ga relationship ha o aware hore within a relationship o setse o builda lenyalo already. But it's just that wena o so batla ho acta ka tsela engwe o sa kgone ho sheba hore where are you going, how to get the expectations tsa rona ha di be practical. So ke nana ke tla nnanyana ke kgone ho mamela moruti hore re ya kae but ka nnete ho na le dintho tse etsang hore re palelwe ko commit tse re di fumanang ka ga di relationship.
Okay. Mara wena ho kilo ha ba le something o createlang fear ya ho commit a relationship maybe o tsuleng o yona.
Di ngata wa tseba nka buang ka yona personally fela e tla be le hore ha o kena o re o so le haufi lo commit o bone motho a ke tla etsa mohlala ne motho na le ntse le tsela hantle mare just before the lana o tla o bontsha botho ba hae o sa o bontsha botho ba hae bane bo le sa qalang ka bona wa bona. So e be le hore hangata ke ntho e tshabang hore sha ke ka commit le motho ena o so ka ho tloetsala jwang ha sa mpontsha this character ena before ke ena ka lenyalo. So ke gona le ntho nyana tse o tla bo mo di bona ka mokgo a o treatang ka teng ka mokgo a treatang the outside world. Ho na le ntho nkile ka e bala ba re tsamaya le motho ka ra traffic o bona ho treata batho jwang. So o kry ntho o createla fear hore anka commit o motho ona ho tloetsala jwang wa eba. So these are one of the things
Okay.
So yona yo he uka contribute ka yona.
Okay. Thank you Zania.
Thank you dearly.
Yes. Na ke tla bitsa Zania.
Now sa my water. Now sa dira ho tla
Yeah.
Now sa
Okay. User. Okay.
Thank you guys ka the gift. Thank you so much.
Yeah.
Guys, tap on screen le fana ka the gift. Nna ke khaletse o bua. Ha re kene,
a re fe user pele. Hello user.
User again.
Hi, good guy.
Good guy.
Good thing.
Hello, Jeketseng.
Now I'm married. I'm married, and I think about the intentions still can on the relationship in case on the matter the most. I get over a father figure one about. Then I expect a mother figure to me. We are in a relationship. We have to love each other. I get on mother, hatum father. That's a very important thing. So I think some other people don't get married because Baba ta father figure that they didn't have. Baba ta mother figure that they didn't have. Baba ta take it over where their mother left them. I think that one is the major one.
Yes. Yes.
So that's the first one that you need to know. And number two, we need to pray for getting that husband couple, that relationship before you get in it. We're and we're with good intentions. And then we do need money, but start a perspective. I'm gonna dig. The mentality that we have is most important, I think. And then conflict, over the conflict, how you handle yourself as a woman.
Okay.
You can have the greatest sex, but is not it. That one is also important. How to meet a musadi mutu? For sex, but how to not sheba? How to meet a musadi because of the way they handle themselves. How to meet a munna because the way they handle themselves.
Yeah.
You
Okay. Wow. Thank you so much, my sister. Thank you so much. And then Elsie. Hello, Elsie.
Hello. Be serious.
Yes.
Hello, ma'am.
Hello. Hello, mommy.
Le kae ntate moruti? Day. Wa tseba nna ha ke tlo bua ntho tse ngata. Fela ke utlwisitse sehloho sa lona se monate. Nna ke nyetswe.
Okay.
Nna le molekane.
Wow.
Ntho e ke bonang hore e etsa hore lenyalo le ske la tsamaya hantle. Maka.
Yeah.
No way, maka. Kore e ka ha re kena lenyalo, ha ka tloela maka. Tla be se ke buile maka makang, a sa kgoneng le ho change fela. Kore ke kena lenyalo mona ke thetsitse hore ha ke na ngwana.
Yeah.
Ke thetsitse ho ka ntho tse ngata. So ha re tlo se re kene ka lenyalo le motho wa ka le ntate. Ebe ntate kona discover hore Arabella sale a ntsa bua maka fela. Ntho eno e etsa hore lenyalo ho ska hlola go ba monate ka tlung. Che ke tla tseletsa lo batho ba bang e sale ba ntse ba bua hlompho. Gona batho ba bomme ha se re ile ga hlokomela hore bontate ba re fositse. Re dula re ba le ho bala ene ho bala go o keteletse o etsa o tswele molekane wa hao hlompho. Hobane o so re yena wa ntena o so bua dintho tsena le tsena o ntso mo balla go tshwarelana ke bone ka go betere o ka etsa leng a lo le be betere ka po le sebetse go tshwarela. Ha o kgone ho tshwarela fela ha o kgone ho tshwarela.
Okay, khathida.
Re tla be re fe ka re lebetse fela re tshwarele bua maka. Those are the two things tse ne ke batla hore ke di hlahise ka.
No, thank you so much, Auswaka. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Yes.
Puleng.
Hello, Puleng.
Hello.
Puleng, why listen young, guys?
Bondata ba re nyale.
Why?
Ale ready. Bondata ba re.
Pastor, how hantle.
No, no, keep it Auswaka. Why listen young? And it was Kala was coming a Kurutakaori. It was in a Kurutakaori Indi.
Azania.
It was a Kala was coming a Kurutaka, Pakila was on Fitiling. Ana Kuruta like a friend, I Kuruta come Davos. Kir anyway, Hona Levasa di Bagutur come Davos. Corrella Jolaka di Puditaba Dimu. Cor only Jolaka Pudi Yabadimu Capayali Tuela. Lesa Pasang Hanke. Cor only Jolaka Pudiali Tuela. Mar Obonkari. Ansan Lisa, change like a Pudiama Tuela. Le Hali, the Yamalona. You can't go on a house and make it perfect to eat. Hobane
ke tswa ka ga lenyalo.
Okay.
Ke ka kena ka ga lenyalo ke le monyanyana. And unfortunately lenyalo ke ne ka ga lona. Nna ke ne ke ikentse ka ga lenyalo. Ka rego ka mora dilemo. La ba la fela lenyalo la teng.
Sure.
La fela. Ka sala ke na le bana fela bophelong ba ka. Be ke setse ke ikhudisetsa bona ke le mong. But now I'm healed. I'm in another relationship now.
Okay.
But now, relationship e ke leng ka ga yona hona jwale. Ho na le di skeletons.
Hey.
Jwale. I can't move anywhere. I'm still standing where I am now. Ke bone hore skeleton se one se sutha jwang kapa di sutha jwang di skeletons tsena, because now bontate ke batho ba bohlale haholo. Bontate ha e ka re kelellonyana ha e sebetso le mme ba tla o palama go duma hlooho. Jwale le nna ke santsane ke fane ka stadium hore ka nnete pele a ka bapale ka stadium, and then ke mmono o fella ka papadi ya hae.
Okay.
Wow. No, thank you so much.
And then in the meantime, also Fanika Stadium, Mutaba Palo, and after Bonzoeta.
I'm like a trailer in Totti, get trailer in Totagana. Yaka to my trailer of And now I have worked Tabayan marriage, or whatsoever that you may call it. Because whatever Lenyalo. Kento ebuima haholo. Lenyalo le buima because re ka dile re kenya ka ga lona re sa letsebe. Re sa dula fatshe re rego. Jwale hona jwale tjena hobane ke se ke le moholo now I'm turning 50. And I can hane hore lenyalo ke ntho ke hlokang ha ka lona jwale tjena. Relationship e ntse le right, is stable. But now ha ke tsebe motho o ke nang le yena o nahana eng ka bophelo ka future ya rona re le babedi.
Au sorry, ka mantso mongwe wena tsa maka koloi e sa registerwang lebitso la hao.
Sa register ke
o ka mantso mang koloi kana mantso ka mantso mang e mo le mo ya batlang koloi yona kana inkela yona. Oban that car is not registered.
Ma ke ntsha mabidi.
Because once really relationship in wena I khathala theory ke 5 years ke 10 years so langa re jola nna people they don't understand I don't belong to you
ha santse re le mo
so langa le mjolo but bambo bo interpreter fela mojolo how that is why la le ke la dula ha le anyalana. That is why la stay together. Halianyalana. Linyalo kelani leo la home affairs.
Sure.
Kilinyalo leo. Come on, someone know you are registered as my car. You are registered to my name. Finish and car. But the relationship, and take relationship you don't be. I don't belong to you. You and I don't belong to me. That is why on a serious note len talk about bana hanore when ki jola luena they cannot jola somebody bana hanore ka ushita I wanna cheating jolo I wanna cheating jolo I wanna cheating
ona cheating ntate
me
ete cheating
mujolo cheating them jolo
it's not cheating
ninga kanjo
if you look at cheating cheating hayo why upata motho o mong
ke mopata because le a lwana mentality wa lona go re ha ke mo ha o ka tseba o tlo lwana because problem e go lona mojolo lo fetetse lenyalo ene mojolo ke we are still looking and not angry
It is all about communication.
Also,
We need to communicate.
Yes.
Are you going to allow me if the girlfriend
it's just that I never to communicate. That's why. That is why it's just that people back ring hampe. Some are really discuss, but they really took the truth. When we feel home, ke batla to bua, nna ke batla to bua ka yona. But ke batla nna ke batla ke tlo le botsa potso e le nngwe. Ke batla tlo le botsa potso e le nngwe.
Okay.
Ne?
Okay.
Ke na le potso e one wena ntho Indie, ke man ke rata la India.
Oh, India, eh.
Seneke. When ke fihla wena ko free be ratana. Ke mangaring maybe ke mangaring se go choositse o se le mosadi wa ka. Ke eng ntho e ne e bolelang hore go choositse. It's a commitment.
Commitment ke yone botsa.
Commitment when se re nyalana then it's a sign ya jalo go choositse. So la ka tsere jalo. Ga spela ntho tsena.
Okay, ke kopare ke rutlwe
Ke
ko.
bontse nga rena sa batlo ke.
Utsi. Bongi. Yo. Ayo.
Nna ke tlo bua le lona.
Bongi.
Bongi.
Sanibonani mfundisi.
Sawubona sana sama good Bongi.
Sure.
Ngiyaphila. Ngiyaphila njani mfundisi, ngiyabonga ukungi-accepta.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, dear.
Ngusibongile ngise-Vanderbilt Park.
Okay.
Okay.
I-topic yanamhlanje mfundisi is very interesting.
Yes.
Ngale ndlela. Ngishadile mina.
Okay.
But into engiyibona yenzakala, yes. I got married ngemncane. I was 27 years old and solo ngishadile with the very same partner.
Wow.
And still happily married.
Wow.
Now, what I see happening is, if I can say, umshado we-Africans lona nawo obulala imishado eqalayo khona manje.
Okay.
Ngoba the minute kuba ne-fatten set, uguy ubona izinto ezingekho right ezingamjabulisi umuntu wakhe. Before akomitha, before ayoma phambi kwakamfundisi athi vele ngiyamthatha, and before ayosayina kumfundisi noma kwa-commissioner.
Hands of applause.
Now, nabangayekela i-fatten set, baya emadolweni bayokhuleka kuJehova, bacela ukuthi uJehova abaphe ama-partner right, because uJehova ukunika exactly what wena you want. uJehova mawuthi ngicela a handsome man, ngicela indoda enemali, ngicela indoda ezongihlonipha, ngicela indoda ezonginakekela, uJehova will definitely give you that. Because uJehova uyawuza umkhuleko wakho and uJehova uyaphendula ngesikhathi esi-right. Another thing, sijafela izinto mruti kumele ngabe asizijafeli, and silibale ukuthi kena isikhathi sakaJehova isikhathi sakaJehova kusisikhathi sethu. So we are so impatient that we are forever in a hurry ukuthi uJehova makanginiki manje mina ngizozinikeza and what bese yiyo into yenza ukuthi kube nama failures angaka empilweni.
Ufina sisibongi mina ngicela uzophendula as a man.
Okay.
As a man.
No, right. Thank you, Sisbongi. Vicky. Pule mbutle. Vicky. Hello, Vicky.
Armofit.
Miss AB.
Hello.
Hi, Vicky. Hi.
Hello everyone.
Guy.
How are you?
We okay.
Right.
Right.
Okay. You can into conversation nicely more hard mare kutlile mo le mo to bua mo kutlileng.
Mare network is bad.
I think the way forward kore motho a o kopana le motho o tsebe exactly what ntho e
Vicky,
o ska kena relationship motho o kopa o le jona go le ya kae
ke kopa o tswe o request hape.
Yes, Vicky, network ya hao e bad. Go kopa fela o tswe and request again, o tloa. Okay. Miss AB? 2 plus 2 ke bo.
Melang le kae?
Re teng le kae?
Ke teng. I get to see everyone. I'm a bit late. Ke gona ke chaisa.
Okay.
But ntse ke le mametse mo tseleng.
All right.
Ene ke nagana gore go na le dintho tse 3 kapo tse 4 tse di etsang gore batho kapo bontate ba palwe go nyala or bomme ba sa nyala.
Okay, ke kopa re tsena bongi because o nyetse yena ne. Re kana ra motho sa qetile o bua ne.
Okay.
Ya ke kopa re mo ntse fela because o sa qetile o explain a side bongi se ya go keep us stand some because when I so shatile.
Yeah. When Miss AB, are you married or not?
Nna ke na le motho wa ka ya ntshepisitse lenyalo ha ka se ke wena a se yo lovely o mo tshwarisa. Ke na le case.
At least wena ha go utlwe he hore ja plus wena o tshepisitswe ke nana tsa hao di tla ka di le matla tse thao.
Indeed.
So ke nagana go na le dintho ne
moruti ke sa le gona.
Okay. Mametse.
Ke ntse ke mametse moruti.
Okay. AB.
Okay, Queen Arisa, so you forcing him. So, gona le dintho either 3 or 4. 1, gona le unrealistic expectations. Batho ha re kena di relationshiping re kena ka dintho tse le goreng ga di kgonagale. There is no way they can exist. Ke tlo beela ntate moruti certain level of expectations mo fitlhelang gore I myself cannot even access.
Yeah.
Right? And then ntate moruti a palelwa go gore I meet the level of standard se ke mo beetseng sona. Then you find gore now I am disappointed, ne? And ho ka sheba ga ke disappointed ke ntate moruti ke disappointed ke eng ke di expectations tsaka. Now we lack accountability when it comes to that. The second thing elo gore batho they do not realize ke pride. People are prideful. Mara ba batla lenyalo and they care a lot ka gore batho ba tla reng. You understand? Gona le moroki yo mong ga bina a re go timele bonna go tsalwe bo wena. If we can practice that in relationships, o tlo bona re phumela. The other day ntate moruti o bua something powerful radio a re wa tseba go batla mosebetsi you meet the requirements. Gore go mosebetsing ba o betse tsona so batho re palla go change. Like nna ga ke re ke batla lenyalo ge go na la buti kae ka ntshepisitseng ke tlamile go change bonna to suit his requirements. So but we can't do that. Why? Because we are prideful. Re tletse boikgogomoso and we care a lot ka gore batho ba tlo reng. Right? Then the third thing, yeah, the third thing I realize is the reason we are unable to commit kapo re ranyalana ke gore we just want to please people. Please you how? Please
we think.
Ke re batla go khatlisa batho.
Okay.
Right. Go khatlisa batho in a sense ya gore ka tseba mane gore ntate November ke a morata. Mara because of batho ga ba mo batle. Ke pallwa ke gore ke access into e ke batlang. Why? Because of batla go kgatlhisa mang kapa mang ha ke shebe nna gore ke eng e le goreng I want, I need, and I will get from Ntate November. So ha re ka tlohela dintho tse le goreng di unrealistic, ra tlohela pride, ra tlohela boikgogomoso, re tlo kgona ho accessa what we want. And I don't believe re lenyalo le thata. Batho ke bona ba leng thata. People, we are very difficult, not lenyalo. We are there to prove to each other gore mang o kgona go feta mang, you know. But that's my 2 cents.
Sure, Eddie. Yeah, Miss Amy, what's the show you are on? Shoo.
Kalebo kopo theo ha he re tle re kgona ho thepa. Is that okay?
Yes.
Yeah.
Kalebo.
Yeah.
Nah.
I
personally.
I get it. Indiana so ka bua tsa hae before Arab. Tatetso Arab butepeng.
Indiana sa petile.
No, ona buile bikinyana ba taba go tlo khutla. O bo ga se a tswa.
Oh.
Yes. And did you have anything to say?
Asaka witsi yo tabaya now that kinana ke setse ke understand
The topic.
ya kae.
Yes.
Kinana and ke se ke tshaba gore moruti a gabe ka gore wa mona o sa tatile o tlo go jwetsa dinnete tsa gona se ga sa.
And it's a botlhoko. E ka re ka motlosa ya ba topic ya gona bomme fela ne ya ba topic ya basadi fela. Ai.
But in a nutshell, ke batla ho dumelana le aus ebi ka taba ya di expectations the expectations tsa gona ka nnete a re se re boela modimo nnete tse gona ge kenang ka mo di relationshiping ha di practical wa utlwa and then finally ho rekisa ka dula na go etelle ke hore ge gola ge na le di fears tse re na le tsone tse le gore in our adult life ha re gone di manage go go tla ntshengwe a uswa ka kelelong ya ka hore like o gona le ausana bo hore we want to mother ge na le dilo tsa rona tse re tshwanetseng to let go gore re kgone go ba di suitable partners to our future husband or go be a suitable partner to our wife. You need to be dealing with those things before o ka ba the right candidate ka ra requirement ya mosebetsi o kenang ka ra yona. Empa thata ba rona go ge kena ka ga di relationship re soka re itukisa ka mo go tshwanetseng go beteng go tla o tlo batla ba mosadi o mojwa. So go re ke tshaba ntse mo go tla tlo go jwetsa yona because o tlo ka molla ntho ya hore re bothata ba hona bo kaene e ka re nka tswa before a ba moswa ka because ka mola ke ba batho ba tla ka etsa why ke soka ke nyalwa hape ya sale ke tloela motse
but
ke utlwa ke tshaba because we we don't heal the parts or versions of ourselves tse leng gore di leka integrity ebile di leka gore be basadi ba qotho or ba tsitsitseng ka sotho gore ke ntho tse jwalo so utlwa ke tshaba so ka gore re tlo bolelang but empa at this point ke nana it's also important to face the reality.
Okay.
Now
Ke something. How onto o araba so? Are you referring to females or both parties here? When ubua ka the expectation, le also I be just that fella. I did not ask her that. When anabua ka pride, abua ka the expectation.
Also I be na referral a go basadi.
Okay. Now, Azania, now are you referring to basadi kapa both?
Kinana tabena it's a both. Hobane inkiri for na it's a both.
Yeah.
Basadi the expectations it's a wana exciting za basadi. The expectations exciting za bontate ha di tshwane ka ga lenyalo.
But we do have them.
It's both, but at the same time remember ka mona ge batla go individualize mathata gona gore kgone go khalemeleseya. But hela ke nana hore it's both at this point. To the expectations that they are not practical.
Okay. All right.
Okay.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. Please. Oh. Mamela, wait. The president is going to address the nation. Country. Yeah. Okay.
Thank you.
Okay. Thank you.
What was it?
Okay.
Na ntho basadi ba ene ke a tseba re basadi ha ba mamele ko ra ba utlwe next ale mamele ko ra le mamele next and exense ke Peter le tlo dula ka dintho tse monate tse tsa lona tse ma ha le totile di tlo uswa ke batho ba bang di tlo sebediswa because ka le ke Frida sho ya ka la bohlano ne ke ruta ka hore when hase Ndavaso, le ditang, le device grip, le di hazard, tse tlo fa lenyalo. Next, and basadi ba ipraisa ka Ndavaso. Banana or device grip, so mamba, so mkapurela, so mshanga ba hazard. Banana re tla o fa lenyalo. Ha hona. O ka di tshwara ditang, o ka tshwara dintho tsa rona wa etsa so mbamba, so mkapurela, so menza kanjalo. Oka la re tshwara di force tsa rona o fele ka rena di gaola la di tshwara fast whole of the whole fast e ka re di ka gaoa la le ke la di tshwara o fele ka re di ka gaoa ha re thewa mo until le tseba hore monna yona o batla eng until you know hore monna enwa e seng hore banna ba batla eng until o tseba hore monna enwa o batla eng seng banna
yona ke tseba hore monna nna e ke na le
e seng banna hore ba batla eng when o le mosadi if you can understand hore o tseba hore yenwa when o fihla bophelong ba monna enwa yo fihla mo yena you wipe everything tsane tseo banna bana ba di rata le tseo bana ba di thabela ka wena you wipe everything you start something new why because really banna the expectations tsa rona di a fapana dintho tseo re di batlang le tseo re di batlang di a fapana.
Okay.
Why? Because really, banda the same way little basadi, little di fara basadi. Can you wants and
needs expectations.
They are fapang. But come on, it doesn't favor you guys. How old? Because no basadi, even if oka wa balidi expectation or balidi but after pilomaka, then kisi ready for the nyari. That I met her. Whatever to the bakanka fella di met her. When you can ready
for lenyalo. Ke kopa this one repeat 100 stara.
Okay.
Yes. Ntate Moruti o re nna ha ke le mosadi because this is what we do basadi. Re tla ho lona re beile di expectations tsa rona ka pele. Expecting you ho wena o fit my expectations. Now what you are saying ko hore le hanga ba ka tla ka tsona as long as you are not ready for lenyalo ha o tlo ba le lenyalo.
Leading expectations of somebody close to the next. Because lenyalo le relay ya hona as a man. Thank you so much guys.
Yes.
Thank you so much.
Okay.
So the lenyalo ha le tswe ke ba ke mosadi lenyalo le tswe ke monna. That is number one. Lenyalo le tswe ke nna. That is why most of the time when o tla monne as much on a living to the expecting tse dintho di batlang tsa ha wa tswa di close sebeletsa jwang tsa ha wa tswa di close sebeletsa jwang when this man outrun then you can throw your expectation
man Muruti ha re tle ka yone ha good.
The only time where your expectation can work for you as a woman, it's when the man loves you. Then you can call out the expectation.
ke te mong ka bang le a smooth relationship.
I'm not
Because
sure.
ha monna a ngata a etsa di-expectations like ho tlo ba le smooth relationship.
Now the problem ya lona le qala ka di-expectation to somebody o sa tsebeng hore wa o rata kapa jwang. Ya sokang o tseba hore wa o rata kapa jwang. Because when ke le bophelong ba hao, there's a possibility. Nkile ka ruta guys this thing. Ka re ho batho ka re, you know, when re kopana sele ke ratana re free ya. Number one, we can meet and have a relationship. But do you know that the only possibility of relationship in you is either so rat, kapona so rat. As
much as utlile approach.
To approach it.
Yeah.
Remember, approaching is to be attracted to you, but not love. When I love you, it's just that ke attract you.
Like something.
That's when get them when. I get about one good man.
Ooh. Oh.
I feel good to the pen.
Yes, Daddy.
I get about one good. Let's now.
Sure, yeah. Yeah.
Now here's the problem. About Ntoko the Chapon, let's get a young living. Let's get out of a party. Let's get out of a party when we feel about back.
Yeah. I must first know who wangata kapa jwang ke ske ka tla ka di expectation to somebody o ke sa tsebe no rena wangata kapa let's say ke through the expectation, it does not work kapa it will not work.
Good.
Yeah. Ay.
Get a sense. That is why Olumbu Shokor, give your relationship time. You will start to expect, you will start to throw the expectation when the relationship ublela ki relationship. You tshwanela o emele o bolelwa ki relationship or o ka qalela ba le expectation. O bolelwa ki relationship. Relationship is jwang e tlo bolela jwang o tlo bolela di actions tsa motho di tlo bolela hore relationship is le leveleng efe a ke tselo ke bang ke tsa sense ka pa jwang o tla bolelwa ke relationship the action in the relationship they will tell you guys tap on screen please guys tap on screen let's throw away the gift ke santse ke mata
Ki mametse ke se life.
Now, agree ki tse o blelwa ki ya pele ki tse ya pele ha o fika pele maka o tshwanetse tse bore nna ke bakae
o batla eng
nna
yes
it's your lenyalo nna motho who's holding a marriage for you Sheba Sileke, I repeat this thing ki buile motho FM ka Wednesday ka when you go to an interview ba interview then how qetile baba impressed you need to again please
yes please kapa go please
you please o tshwantse o win but ba interview ba o fe mosebetsi
yes you need to impress them to get a job.
You need to impress
them.
But thank you so much. You need to impress. But people who are holding